Hello everyone, welcome back to Starboard Edu Point. As you can see, here I have taken 2 glass and 1 glass of water. So I am here with an experiment, but before starting this experiment, I want to tell you something about the experiment. First I want to ask something. Have you ever seen any diamond ring? If you have seen, then you must have observed it sparkles. It gives different colors light. So why it happens? It happens due to refraction. Now tell me, have you ever visited any hilly area, any hill station, their river is flowing, and if you have observed a river flowing in the hilly areas, then you must have observed the water of river is so clear comparatively plain areas. That enables us to see things, stones, pebbles which are inside the water at the river bed, and looks like these pebbles are very near to you, and maybe you have just tried to take out them. So if you have just done this activity, then you have must observe just you are feeling it is nearer to you, but if you just try to take out them, you have to go deep inside the water, but you were feeling that they are close to you. So why it happens? Why they looks raised? It happens due to the refraction. And you also must have observed that a coin which is inside the glass tumbler, it also appears to be raised, and stars which are just in the sky, they are very far to you, but must have observed that they are twinkling, they are sparkling, they are giving light rays. So why it happens? Actually, these all examples are related to the phenomena refraction. So what is refraction? Actually, refraction is a phenomenon which occurs when a ray of light passes from one transparent medium to another. To understand phenomenon refraction, let's move on to our experiment. For this experiment, we need 2 glasses, empty glasses, and 1 glass of water, and 2 pencils also. First, put these 2 pencils in these 2 empty glasses one by one, like this. So what are you observing here? You are looking, the pencils are straight inside the glass, and out of the glass these 2 parts are looking straight. Now we'll pour water in 1 glass. Now you can observe the bending of pencil. You can clearly observe the pencil which is in the glass having water. You can see it is not straight, it is just bending. So why it is happening? It is happening due to the phenomenon refraction. When refraction takes place, means when light rays passes from one medium to another, the 2 mediums which have different densities, then refraction takes place. You can understand the difference by comparing these 2 glasses. 1 glass which is empty, this glass is empty, and this glass is having water. So the glass which is having water, the pencil inside it is looking some raised, and it is not straight. So because in this glass there are 2 mediums, you can see this pencil is in 2 medium. First, here air is present, and here the water. So water is denser medium than air. So here light rays are just passing rarer medium to denser medium. So it is important that both the media have different densities. Refraction can also take place in the same media if the densities of the different layers vary. When ray of light passes from one transparent medium to another transparent medium, there is a change in its direction. Actually, this change in direction or bending of light is called refraction. So I hope you have enjoyed the video and you must have understood the phenomenon refraction. It will help you in your study. To get this type of informative videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel and do share my videos with your friends and in your study group. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.